will always screw up. I will research and research, and then when it comes go time, I'll always screw up. So if you want to see more screw ups, you keep coming back. You subscribe to my channel. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget, and today I am opening my Tarte Custom Create Your Own Kit, and this is a box that I bought on Wednesday morning, and I was super excited because it was delivered today, Friday, around lunchtime. In case you're not a regular subscriber, welcome. Please subscribe. We'd love to have you. I did a video last week that this was coming up, and I'll link that right up here. And they don't give you much notice ahead of time that they're going to do this custom kit, and it's always a 24-hour thing, because this is my first custom kit. But the best thing about the kit is it's $63, it's free shipping, and you always can choose a free foundation. So they limit you a little bit. I think they offered 4 or 5 foundations, but they definitely had the Shape Tape Hydrating, Shape Tape Matte. They had Rainforest of the Sea. They had a Stick Foundation maybe. And they also allow you to choose in other categories for bronzers and blushes and eye products. And if you're lucky and you get in there early enough, you might be able to score a mini palette. So let's take a look at what I got. I think I did a good job. I know my shades in Tarte for foundation, so that was helpful. But I think I screwed up on the lip product. I think I really screwed up on the lip product. So you get a bag. And I chose the basic black one. I had watched reviews from 6 months ago, and they did have the same bag. So I liked it. It's about 1.5 inches wide. It has a nice interior, and I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. So we have a bag, and we have 6 products, and all the products are full size. So I got a palette. I was in there really early. So this is the Tarte Glam on the Go eyeshadow palette. Woo, flamingos. So I'm expecting that the shade's going to be pretty light, but oh, a little better than I expected. Okay, so that's what we have. We have 3 shimmers, 3 mattes, and these 2 are actually a little deeper than I was expecting. Just from the photos online, everything looked very, very light to me, and I already have a lot of light neutral Tarte shades in my other palettes, so So I'm going to be trying them on, but first let's go through the box. Look, flamingos. I love flamingos. Okay, my foundation. This is the Shape Tape Hydrating, and I got mine in Porcelain Beige. And to start out today, I'm already wearing my Tarte Shape Tape in Porcelain Beige, same shade. This one's super low. I think it's about 1/4 full, so I was in need of that foundation, and perfect. So now I have a whole big bottle. So this one will go in my backup drawer. Okay, so next in the box is my mascara, and there were several choices for mascara, and this is my favorite Tarte mascara. So this is Lights Camera Lashes. This is in a limited edition packaging. Everything in here is so festive. So we have a pink sparkly container, and it's the regular black formula, and it has a little ribbon, a little star on the end. Why? I don't know why. I guess just to be festive. I think it is good volume, good lengthening. I'm always on the hunt for the most perfect mascara ever, but this one's really good. Really, really good. I like it a lot. All right, next up out of the box, we had choices for blush. I'm a big fan of their regular 18-hour blush. And this one is in Blush and Gray. The outside looks really hot pink, hoping it's not as cuckoo as that. Okay, I like this. This this looks like it will be fine on me, fair skin. And then they did offer some brushes, and I got the color correcting brush. Not that I would use a brush for color correcting, but I figured I could use it for eyes. Or not. Oh, it's dual-ended. Okay, this will not be used for eyes because my eyes aren't that big. What will I do with this? Highlight? Maybe highlight? Okay, so this was kind of a bomb for me. I guess it being a bad mistake on this one. But I don't think I saw any eye brushes that I liked. And I know later in the day they added the really cute mermaid eye brush with the little mermaid tail. And apparently I chose this, so yeah. Making bad mistakes. Okay, here comes probably my worst mistake of the box. I don't even know what this is, so I need to put on glasses. This is the Tarte lip paint. I think I really did screw this one up. This is the Tarte lip paint here. I don't even know which shade this is in. Okay, this is the Tarte lip paint in TBT. Is the shade right? I have no idea. We had a lot of selections for lip products, and I just dropped the ball. I think there was probably like a quick dry matte lip. Why did I do this? Why? So this is the lip paint, and the reason why I'm saying like, oh, why did I choose the lip paint? Why? Because I was on my first or second trip to Ulta ever, when they opened in my area a year or two ago. And the guy at the Ulta helped me pick out this, which is the Tarte Glossy Lip Paint. And I kind of hated it. I hated that it stayed so wet, never dried down the least bit. I hated it. And here we go again. I chose the Tarte Lip Paint. So I dropped the ball on that one. Typical. So I'm going to throw on everything except the lip paint. Maybe I'll throw on the old lip paint. I'll throw on my old lip paint, and then my new lip paint I'm going to put in a future giveaway because I know that I'm never going to use this. I just have a lot of really good lip products. I mean, we get a lot of great stuff in the subscription boxes and the sales, so I'm going to put this one in a giveaway, and I'm just going to go off camera and use some of these products, come back on camera and see what we have. okay. I like everything. This palette I like so much more than I expected. You can take a look right here. I'm not a makeup artist. You will obviously know that by seeing my makeup skills. I'm just a beauty enthusiast. But I like this so much more than I expected that I was going to. I kind of view it as like a Tartelette Toasted, but smaller. Take a look. Really, this little guy is not bad. Let's take a look. I mean, you're lacking the really deeper colors, but when it really comes down to it, this little guy here, not bad, Tarte. I love, of course, this mascara, and this little doodad at the end makes me feel like a fairy princess, so love this. Time for lips. No. Okay, that's where the screw up was, but I'm going to put this in the giveaway, like I mentioned, and I'll use the one that I got at Ulta, just for old time's sake. I don't even think that these shades will go with each other, but... So instead of using this mauve tone that I picked up at Ulta a while back, the Tarte Glossy Lip Paint, I'm going to go with this Smashbox in Honey, the Always On lipstick. It just coordinates with the eye color a lot better. Okay, I'm back again. This is the Smashbox lipstick in Honey, and I think this was a great custom kit. Leave it to me. I will always screw up. I will research, and then when it comes go time, I'll always screw up. So if you want to see more screw ups, you keep coming back. You subscribe to my channel. This was a good buy, $63. Got the little palette, way better than I expected. I screwed up on the lip product. They did have a lot of good choices, and dropped the ball. They had cool little brushes, dropped the ball. I got my great foundation that I love, the Porcelain Beige and Hydrating Formula. This blush product, and I love the shade. It turned out really, really well. And love Lights Camera lashes and the doodad at the top. So that was a lot of fun. So if you guys got the custom kit, drop a note down below what you got. And if you're new here, please subscribe, because I will often post videos of upcoming deals, upcoming sales. I do unboxings here too, and I do sneak peeks. So had you guys been subscribed, you would have seen my video announcing that the Tarte custom kit was coming up. So feel free to do that, okay? So thanks so much, you guys, for watching, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye!